Hey guys, what's up? So today is another throwback makeup video look, and today we are using Anastasia Beverly Hills cream and powder contour kits. These were definitely all the rage when contouring, I don't want to say first came out, but when it became really popular and everybody was contouring, these were definitely the kits to have. So I'm going to show you guys how I use it. So first I'm going to go in and color correct with the color Warm Coral. Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Chocolate. I'm not even gonna do a video about the Anastasia dip brow because that's not even up for debate. Like, this will never die out. Like, who does brows like Anastasia? Nobody. I'm gonna go back into the contour palette in the color Cream. I'm going to take this all the way up because I want my face snatched, even though she's been eating during quarantine. Contour, I'm going to use the color Chocolate, and then I'm going to use the color Cinnamon to add a little bit of warmth into the centers.
I'm going to take your flat contour brush.
We're going to set our concealer with the contour kit. Why can't I talk? What's wrong with me? So we're going to set our concealer with the powder contour kit, and I'm going to use, what color is this? Set the contour. And that's on period. And since we're already using Throwback Anastasia, we're going to use the Anastasia Self-Made palette. I'm going to go in with the color Chocolate. sherbet. Self-made. Pink champagne. Chisel. You see that? So overall, this palette was worth the money, I think. I do like the cream more than the powder. I do wish the color corrector was a more orangey color than it is coral. And I don't really like the concealer colors, but I mean the banana is supposed to be a correcting color, but I like never use it. But the coral works, and all of the contour colors are really pigmented, and they show up really nice on the skin, and they give you a range from like warm to deep, which I like. The powder, I usually use it just to set. I mean, I still use it till this day sometimes to set contour if I'm using a cream-based product. So this definitely comes in a little more handy, I guess. So do I think these were worth the rave? Yeah, I feel like this is still a product that you could use today. It does have a good shade range. It does give you some kind of variety, but is there better products out there now with better formulas and better color variations? Of course, 100%. I almost never really use this to contour, at least the powder one, because I do feel like some of my bronzers give you more warmth and color when it comes to contouring than the powder contour kit. But do not regret buying them. They still work, they do what they're supposed to do. So that's it for this throwback makeup video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if there's a throwback product in particular that you want to see, comment below. And I mean, if I have it, I'll do it. If I know, I'm not gonna go buy it, but yeah. And if you guys have any questions on these palettes, they definitely still sell them. I guess they're still working because they still sell them in stores. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.